All India Congress Committee spokesperson Onika Mehrotra has stated that the recent moves by the BJP to bring the Women's Reservation Bill is merely an eyewash, especially with the 2024 elections approaching. While addressing a press conference here on Friday, the Aicc spokesperson said that the Women's Reservation Bill was initially introduced by the Congress party and failed to receive clearance from the Lok Sabha in 2010. She urged upon the central government to promptly implement the bill if their intentions were genuine.
Women are the major, I can say, they put in the major input in the economy of the country, and if they are empowered, I think the whole economy runs in a better format, and we see a more flourished society. We are very much for it because we, irrespective of which party is in power, the women should get the share. And that is the focus behind the intent. But if you're going to have ifs and buts, we want amendments in it. Now that the bill is not being implemented, why can't you have the amendments? So the Congress party very categorically said, reservation for overseas women is what they're looking for. And if it's the delimitation census